Hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see and some important and interesting concept. This is quite simple concept, that is break, continuous and pass. So first of all, I will tell that about the these all break, continue and pass. These three are keywords. So let's start from the break. Break is nothing but it is used to break the normal flow of the program. So now let's see through one example. I suppose here I have a list called as list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will use here for I in list print I. So in this example, suppose I want to find the 3. I want to print the values only up to 3. Once I get the 3, I don't want to execute my code for 5 and 5 in 4 and 5, sorry. So just I want to execute this code for until and unless I get the value 3. So in this case we will use the break statement, that if my I value is equal to 3, stop the program. Does not allow program to execute further, and here we will break the normal flow of a program. So first of all, value will be printed will be 1, again 2 will be printed, 3 will be printed, and this times the 3 is equal to 3. That means break will be executed. And what break keyword do? It breaks the this for loop. So now let's check our output. Output will be 1, 2, 3. So here is our output, that is 1, 2, 3. So just keep in mind one thing, that you cannot use the break statement, that is break keyword outside the loop. So here we have used the for loop. Here you can also use the while loop, but you cannot give the simple condition like if I is equal to 3, and here we have not used any kind of loop. So here simply we have given if I is equal to 3 break, this will give an error. So break should be compulsory used in and loop. It can be for loop or while loop. So now we will go to our next concept, that is continue. So in this case, first of all, let's remove this. So now consider this is a list of an roll numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out of these 5 students, 4 are being passed and upgraded to next class. And if you want to check that who are passed, so 1, 2 is passed and 4, 5 is passed. So in the list now you don't want to print the 3 because he's failed. We can use their continue. So I will show print let's remove this first. If I is equal to 3, if roll number 3 comes, then do not go downward, continue the program. Now let's print I. So what will happen? First of all, 1 will be taken here. 1 is equal to 3, so this is a false condition. 2 is equal to 3 also is a false condition. When 3 comes, 3 is equal to 3, this is a true condition, and continue keyword will be executed. And what is do? It will send the compiler again to this for loop. So when 3 is equal to 3, it becomes the true condition. Program will start again from here instead of going to down. So now let's see our program. All the values except 3 will be printed. You can see here 1, 2, 4, 5 is being printed. So now we will see what is an next keyword, that is an pass keyword. Now first of all, let's remove this. So first of all, I will tell basic about the pass. Pass is nothing but it is used if you want a particular code to written in a future, but if you want to write it at a present, but if you don't want to give any kind of value in that particular condition. So this might be looking little complex for you what I said, so I will explain through one example. So now I have a list called as list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So initially I have values at 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am in for I in list. So what I will do, I will print I. So at present I just want to do this program, and in suppose I have here one condition, that if I is greater than 5, and here it should be condition. So what this generally mean? Suppose at the present we have just four elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here if condition is that if I is greater than 5. In future the condition may arise like here if we have 6 value, 7 value. So instead of defining this if in the future, we can define and just keep it as it is without doing anything by using the pass keyword. So you might be thinking what is its use at present. So if you will keep this condition as it is to be used in future, it will give you an error. You can see, so it gives you an error. So here you should give an pass keyword, that what it tells to do nothing. It works, you can say in simple word, it is like a comment. So now let's run our program. So here is our 1, 2, 3, 4. This is being not used anywhere. So I have kept this block to be used in further when my value will be greater than 5. Here I will do and different operations, whatever I would like to do. So thank you friends, and keep learning.